Okay, so we're here in the powder coating spray booth. A lot of people think that we can do our bronzes, our blacks, our whites, the standard kind of finishes that Phos are known for, but we can do literally anything. So I thought it would be useful just to show you the process as to essentially what allows you to have any option you can possibly imagine. So after the fittings go into the 10-stage treatment tank to purify and make sure they're all primed and ready, they go up here. They get hung up on a jig, they get sprayed, and got some funky colours here. The joy of it, you can pick any colour you can imagine. All it is paint. So we've got a couple of bags here. Some bluey green paint. You got your purpley, goes in a gun, sprays here, goes in an oven and gets baked. And that is marine grade ready paint available in literally any finish. So if you go on the website, top right hand corner, there's a little gold button that says configure, click that. And in real time, you can render the product, you can choose your product type, you can choose bronze on the outside, you can choose green on the inside, and you'll see it in real time on that screen in front of you. You can then hit download to get all the assets related to the product. So installation sheets, you can get your DWGs, your LDT files, everything that you need to understand the product and its role in the project, bringing everyone together. So it's all part of what we believe in at Phos, of being masters of finishes. We say that our fittings are essentially an offering of a palette of flawless finished lighting instruments. So customizing down to the very last detail, the accessories, the chip, the product type, how it's being mounted, and then every single finish you can possibly imagine when it comes to paint. I think we worked out the other day, we've got something like 1 million possible combinations of products. So there is a light for any situation, any scenario, and you can bring that design into the space. So ceilings often get forgotten about. Being able to make them a green or a purple or a bronze or a sandstone, a limestone, a rust, allows you to connect to the space below. And when you walk into that room, it feels designed. You've got the top and all the walls joined together in one really thought through space. So yeah, a joy for interior designers, we hope.